All right, super interesting one here today. 2017 Mazda Miata RF. This is the factory optional, super rare factory Brembo brake package with the BBS wheels and the lower air skirting down below. That was all factory, part of that Brembo brake package with the BBS wheels. Also has some other nice upgrades, including this real carbon fiber spoiler, which looks super slick. Some stripes, carbon fiber on the mirrors, louvered hood. This one also super clean interior, factory navigation system, 24,000 original miles. But this has the BBR turbo kit from BBR. I believe they are in England, perhaps. Very, 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 a little dusty in here from getting detailed. Very, very, very professional looking installation. Looks as if it were a factory setup. Does have double adjustable shocks, front and rear. Again, that louvered hood. Does have a nice intercooler there. It is an intercooled turbo system. Sounds pretty much like a stock car. It does have an upgraded exhaust as well. Floor mats are there. Got a little sound from the wastegate opening there. Super, super clean inside and out. Also did a video of driving this car. You have to check that out on my page. If you want to subscribe to my channel, you can get updates on all this interesting stuff as it comes in here at the Auto Livery. Thanks.